Hello, how are you all going? I've been wearing my iconic purple hat nearly every day since 2018. It used to be purple, and now it is a sort of gray color. It needs rejuvenation. That is why today I am going to do that. I am going to dye it purple. It will be fun and you will see how I do it. I'm dying to see how it turns out. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I figure a good first step is to find some dye. Oh, that's handy. Next. Wow. There are instructions printed on the bottle. I'll just follow those. First, I'll wash my hat in the laundry. Make sure it's clean. The hat looks pretty ragged now. I must have gotten beaten up by the laundry machine. At this point, I'm starting to be concerned that even with the dye, the hat may not be long for this world. Nonetheless, we must move on. Now, I need a bowl full of hot water. Because my hat is cotton, I'll put some salt in there. Don't ask why. I'll also pop in a tiny bit of dish soap. Next, I put in a bunch of dye and immerse the hat. I stir it for 30 minutes, of which I filmed the first 20. Now I transfer the hat to a bowl of warm water with dye fixative in it. The fixative should prevent the color from bleeding in the future, and I'm going to stir that for 20 minutes. After that, I take the hat inside and rinse it off under cold tap water. Finally, I wash the hat with warm water and a little bit of detergent, before realizing the sink is dirty and giving up. Now all I need to do is wait for it to dry and see how it turns out. It works! It looks so much better than it did before. Well, I'm absolutely chuffed that it worked. It's a surprise to me, honestly. I was not expecting this good of results. We'll see if it lasts. I'm honestly blown away with how vibrant and full the color is, and it even masks a lot of the damage and worn outness of the hat. It makes it look a lot newer than it actually is. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. I mean, honestly, I've had this hat for this one right here for less than a year, and now this one looks a lot newer than this one does. And this one, I'm pretty sure it cost like $9.99 when I bought it, so it doesn't owe me anything. Although now I've invested significantly more than that into dyeing it, so I'm good at business.